Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I found an HP all-in-one computer which was collecting dust in our inventory and I decided to use it. I powered it on and I saw an error on the screen which we can see in the video. I decided to get on work and try to fix it. Before I start, please subscribe my channel and smash that bell button. Thanks. Let's go do it. After opening the stand screws, wiggle the stand so it comes off. With pushing these two latches at the same time and then sliding the whole thing to back, this part will also come off. Here, we wanna take out the ram sticks. With a flathead screwdriver as like shown in the video, we will take out the ram sticks. Okay, now we are going to open these cover screws. This screw is for the CD-DVD drive and it's a bit different than the other screws. From the top of the device, we are going to use a screwdriver and our fingers to open the latches. Okay, now we have opened the cover and inside is pretty dirty and must be cleaned. Now we are going to open the mainboard's cover. Here we reach the heatsink and the CPU fans. We are going to open the heatsink screws to take a look inside. We see that the thermal paste on the heatsink and CPU is pretty dried, so we are going to slowly wipe those dried paste with a tissue. We must be cautious so nothing sharp would scratch the surface of the heatsink, because there is a high chance that the heatsink would malfunction. After opening the CPU fans, we see that they are really dusty and these must also be cleaned. The only thing that we must keep in mind is that it's really important to pay attention to the color of the cable on every fan. That must be the same as the color of socket on the main board. Now we will slowly take out the CPU and check it for any problems. So here we want to check and overhaul the CPU fans. We will open the small screw on the fan's cover and then we will slowly open the fan's latches. We see that the fan easily comes off from the cable, and we see that we have a magnet and a shaft inside. After cleaning the fan, shaft, magnet and cable, we will lubricate the shaft a bit. Okay, now let's go for the thermal paste. We will slowly and carefully add thermal paste to the CPU. Now, we want to put back the heatsink on the CPU. To do so, we need to pay attention to the numbers on the heatsink, and they must be closed one by one in order. Now that our work with CPU is done, we must put those RAM sticks back. We must pay attention to the gap inside the RAM's connector, which must line up with the slot on the mainboard. Let's not push the RAMs too hard so they don't break. Then we will do the final things like connect our storage and put everything back inside. It's done. Now we must connect this computer to power and power on. That's great! The error is now gone and the computer is fully working. For watching more videos like this, I would appreciate if you subscribe my channel and smash that bell button. Thanks for watching.